Welcome to Tuesday of week 13. We're doing sauces this week. So for the sauce we have Romesco, which is from Spain, Catalonia. This is the cooking of this is very little. So the only thing that is cooked are the red peppers, and those are charred or grilled red peppers. The rest of the ingredients, the tomato sauce, or in this case it's tomato puree, we have some nuts, almonds toasted, a little bit of garlic, sherry vinegar, some parsley oil, and for some heat we have cayenne pepper, and a little bit of smokiness we have some Spanish smoked paprika. So that's all, and then salt and pepper. So that's all will go into the Romesco sauce. We'll put this in the food processor and process it. So to go with the Romesco sauce, we have shrimps, and we're not going to cook them in a pan. We are going to broil them. So approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side on high. Take a look at it at about 3 minutes, and then take it out, turn it over, and then cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. About 5 minutes of cooking time for the whole dish. So to go with that, because this is a dinner, we have a salad. This is a tossed salad. We have mixed vegetables, mixed greens, a little bit of ranch dressing, and that's it. So let's pulse the Romesco sauce, and then we'll put the shrimps into the broiler. So for the Romesco sauce, we'll add the peppers, so most of everything goes into this. The tomato puree, the nuts, some garlic. I have 2 cloves of garlic smashed. This is paprika, so it's paprika and cayenne for some heat. Sherry, and that's sherry vinegar. And then we'll put a little bit of parsley, about 2 tablespoons of parsley into this. And then we'll add some salt and pepper. We'll taste it once it's done, and then if we need to add more, we will. So we'll put on the food processor and let it go, and then while this is running, we'll add the oil. So this is about 3-4 cups of olive oil. And you really need good quality olive oil here. And pour it in slowly. That's about it. So let's taste it. It has a peppery taste. A little bit of nuts comes through. Garlicky. It needs a little bit of salt and maybe a little bit of pepper. just pulse to mix it. And that's it. So we'll let this rest while we put this under the broiler for about 2-3 minutes, check it, and then put it back in for, turn it over if it's done on one side, so if it's red, and then to the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes. This dish took a total of about 10 minutes at the most. The shrimps are broiled, we have the sauce, we have the salad, and we have some garnishes. So let's serve. To serve, what I'd like to do is always toss the salad before you serve it, because as you keep the salad, it gets all the dressing goes to the bottom, so this way it mixes it up again. Let's put a little bit of salad on this side. And then to serve the shrimp, finish this, we'll garnish with some parsley. And a wedge of lemon. There you have it, broiled shrimp over Romesco sauce, served with a tossed salad in a ranch dressing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Bon appetit, and see you tomorrow with another sauce.